Okay, so this is how my room looks like right now. I have all of this area. That's also, I don't know where I'm gonna put his cage, but it's not gonna be here. And then all this stuff is the decor that I had bought. And then this whole area too is just a mess. All those things on my desk are also extra decor. This cubicle that I got from Ikea. It's kind of just like for storage. This is how it looks like. It. Stop. You want me to put you in the cage? Yeah. Girl, I need my dad's help. I can't do this on my own. Okay, so it's currently the next day. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I have so far, like the progress. Okay, so right now we have most of the things hung up on my wall. So I put up the frames and then the shelves. I'm gonna be unboxing this. I'm also still gonna put up this grid, also this CD player. Switch out these hangers with these hangers. They're just more aesthetically pleasing, I feel like, for my room. I'm also going to be switching out my clothes because a lot of this clothes I put up because I was using during the summer, but because we're heading towards fall, I'm gonna switch out the clothes for more fall-like clothes. I wanted to start doing this as seasons arrive. it's currently 6:26. Me and my sister are gonna go to Five and Below. I really want to find a rug. I don't know, I'm gonna check out Walmart, Target, so I'm gonna see if I can find one. I'll see you guys once I get to the store. Okay, so we just made it to Five and Below. It's cold as hell, you guys. Guys, should I get a desk lamp for my desk? They also have storage bins that I could use, maybe. This isn't even big.
No, that's really small.
But I could get a lot. Oh, that's cute. I could put that under my TV. Okay, so this is everything that I have so far. Me and my sister had a really weird altercation. There was like these two little girls following us, and they didn't even know who we were. Like, they were just following us because we had a camera in front of our faces. She had a camera in front of her face, by the way. It wasn't even me, the actual YouTuber. So they were like, are you a YouTuber? Can we get an autograph? Like, this girl like has like zero, like she doesn't even have a YouTube channel.
I only have.
Okay, so we just got to Walmart. This is like perfect. It doesn't look too expensive or anything, so I think I'm gonna get this one. Welcome to my MTV crib. Anyways, okay, so you walk into my room, right? I have the bags. Like, I just keep my bags, my everyday bags here. And then my new jeans wall. To be honest, I didn't really know what to put on this wall, so I just like put these posters. And then I have this. Don't look at that. Honestly, I don't really know if I like this. I might end up moving this to this side of the wall because I think I might get like a new storage space here, and then we're gonna move here. This is my desk area. I worked very hard on this part of my room. As you guys can tell from the before, this area was like completely not, it was ugly, it was very dry. This is where I'm keeping my computer as of now. This is where I put the CD player. And then I have this pot of flowers right here. My baby mirror behind my computer. And then in this drawer I have like a bunch of my makeup stuff. And then I have my keyboard here. And then in this area we have, this is like a little shelf. It has this Hello Kitty imprinting on the side. On the bottom shelf I have this light pink printer, and then I also have these books that I'm currently in the process of reading. I'm keeping those here because those I can just like easily grab whenever I'm in this area. I also have this cute little light. It's bunny shaped. And then I have a Miffy character right here. And then that's the lamp that I got from Five and Below. And then this like random candle that I have here. I also have a bunch of photos of my friends and some K-pop idols. And here I have this My Melody fan and just like random pens and highlighters. Up here in these shelves, that's the LED clock that I had got. But fun fact, also actually chewed up the wire connecting the lights, so I can't turn it on. Another My Melody character, and then a candle. I turned that candle on and like the black smoke stained my wall. And then I have my Polaroid camera, my new jeans collection, and then that random flower. And then this is where I put the pictures that I had printed out. I put 2 of them above my mirror, and then I put that one next to this mirror. This desk might appear bigger because I also bought an extra shelving. and I put it right here. And then we're gonna move here. The carpet that I got from Five Below, from Walmart. I ended up putting it here. By the way, Walmart, what is this? Tell me why this carpet has black stains on them. And this is where I ended up putting the cubicle, and then I ended up putting these over here. I just put a bunch of random journals and books that I had, and then I have this random candle with this like dusty pink lamp and my tissues. I also put the cloud light up here that I got from Ikea. By the way, these coasters are also new. I didn't originally have these. And then we moved to my bed area. My bed stayed the same. I didn't really change much to my bed. I think I just added like a few pillows. But on top of my bed, I put the 2 posters that I printed out. And then we moved to this side. This is honestly a pretty plain side. I don't really have much going on here. But I put my jewelry case here. It was originally under my TV, but I ended up moving it. And then I have this candle and my lighter. I think I already had the black mirror here. But on this side, it pretty much stayed the same. I put the 3rd poster above this. This I kept the same. The desk I had next to my bed, I ended up putting here. Those are just like my everyday shoes that I wear. My dirty laundry, please don't look. We have this area of my room. This area also stayed the same, but I added these like little lights to make it more aesthetically pleasing. And then once we leave that side of the room, we get to my TV area. I didn't really change much here either. I just added a few things. But I added these, and then I added this that I also got at, where did we get this?
Five Below.
Oh no, yeah. This I got at Five Below, so that was a steal. Oh, this basket is also from Five Below. I just thought the whole aesthetic matched very well in this area. I also changed the basket that I had before to this basket because I feel like the other basket seemed very cluttery because it was see-through and you could see inside. I have these Lego flowers. Don't tell me about these pieces. I don't know what happened to these pieces, okay? I just have a few of my everyday sunglasses that I use and this Coach teddy bear that reminds me of my dog because his name is also. We get to my closet area and there isn't much to say about this side other than I have LED lights now on this side and they make my room look cooler, which was the goal. And then we get back to square one. But yeah, that is my full room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the difference from before. It took me a really long time to come out with this video. I don't even know why it took me so long. It took me so long feeling like my room was really perfect, and I just kept feeling like I had to add more and more stuff for it to, I don't know, just be satisfied with it. And I think even now, even me finishing the video, I'm still not satisfied with it or satisfied with my room, which is fine. But for the most part, my room is not gonna change. My room is gonna stay completely the same. Maybe I'll move a few things here and there, but I think for the most part, I will not be making any major changes until I permanently move out of this room. So yeah, until then, I'll see you guys with another video.